Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys some quick um, shortcuts you can use to speed up your navigation experience on Google Chrome or any other um, browser. So in this example, if you were to hit Control T, you can open up a new tab. Likewise, let's just open up another one here again. So if you hit Control T, and then let's say you would want to go to the first page or the first tab, up here on this deck here, you could hit Control 1 and you'd be able to go there. Like say you want to go to the third tab, you can hit Control 3 and then you pop over to that third tab there. Another thing you could do is you could hold Control Tab to kind of move forward. You can see here, just hold it down and yep, so these are some cool little shortcuts I learned on the job here. They can speed up your productivity quite a bit, the more you get comfortable with them. Anyway, you all have a great day and keep on coding.